Today we are going to see management of change. In general, the success in your life doesn't comes just like that. The success in life based on your ability, it is a change that you makes it faster than your business, your competitors and your customers. If you are not ready to the change will make you a far price than the change. So it is better to change according to your world changes. Rapid change is more important. Change according to the environmental conditions, according to the internal conditions, and also according to the external conditions. Do not compel the change to change you, because it costs higher than what you make it change within yourself at the right time. So change is very important. So let us see how can you manage this change, because change is very important, because it depends on your success. It already changes the total success rate of your organization, right? Because your success in life isn't just based upon your ability to change, but it is based upon how far you are, how faster you change yourself before your customers, before your organization and before your competitors. That is most important. Let us see how can you better manage or effectively manage your change.